We're here at the Mandarava Resort in Phuket in Thailand, and we're going to be showing you what the Sea Pearl room is like, so come with me. We're in room 8010. As you enter the room, you have your bathroom on your left hand side. So if you come on in, we've got a massive bathroom with a double sink, very large mirror, obviously your toilet. One thing to note is you can't actually put toilet roll down the toilets in Thailand. I guess like a lot of parts of the world, they do have a bin and they do have a little hose that you can wash your bottom with. So you've got a massive walk-in shower with a rain head shower, handheld shower. They do provide shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. And then you have a big freestanding bathtub, sort of a place to dry your towels. But yeah, this is a really beautiful room. And you do have a massive skylight, which makes the room really bright. Yeah, it's really lovely. And if you do want to talk to someone whilst you're on the toilet, if you're travelling with someone in a different room, or, you know, there's a telephone there that you can use to talk to your loved one. So if you come on back through, so as you come into the main bedroom area, you've got an air conditioning unit and you've got a massive wardrobe space that has a safe. They provide umbrellas, they provide a flashlight, and they do provide robes and a beach bag as well. And they also have a hairdryer. You've got a massive working sort of vanity area. Again, another telephone. There's a fair amount of plug sockets as well, which is really nice. And then you come over here and you've got a bar area. You've got a mini fridge, which may provide water, so you get 4 bottles of water per day, complimentary. Any extra, like the soft drinks and the beers and the snacks and stuff like that, you have to pay extra for. There is a price list for that on the counter. If you swivel around this way, you've got a lovely sort of lounge area and a big open window again, which does let in a fair amount of light. One thing to note, the rooms aren't that well lit, so in the evening it can feel quite dark in these rooms. But then you've got a massive queen size bed, which you'll probably get lost in. It's okay, it's fairly comfortable. It's nothing to sort of write home about. You've got a massive television and you've got a small seating area there. But then the best of the best, the piece de la resistance, is the outside area. So if you come this way, I'll show you that. If you book a Sea Pearl room, this is the entrance to your pool, basically. This pool area is shared with 9 other rooms, so 10 rooms in total. But it's so lovely just to sort of come out of your room, straight into the pool. I would highly recommend it. So obviously, depending on occupancy as well, you might be lucky enough to have the pool to yourself, which we do at the moment, which is absolutely lovely. As you open the double doors, you have your own separate private pool area which leads out to the main pool, or one of the main pools. There are 5 at this hotel, and you've got a massive set of gates that you can just open to go into that pool. You've got 2 sun loungers and a little table, and then you do have an inbuilt seating area within the pool that you have little jets on that makes it become like a little jacuzzi, but we'll show you that anyway. So if you've liked this video, make sure you click on this link here to watch the Mandarava Resort tour that we have filmed, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and to make sure you don't miss out on any of our Thailand videos that we have coming up. Thanks for watching, bye. So we're here at the Mandarava Resort. We're here at the Mandarava Resort here in Phuket in Thailand, and we're going to be showing you what the Sea Pearl room is like. We're here at the Mandarava.
I'm not really good at this, are you?
No. I really want to do it though. We're here at the Mandarava.
Is it because I'm smiling? I won't look.
Mandarava, yeah.
Mandarava.
We're here at the Mandarava.
Come on, please.
Okay, right, ready. Come on. We're here at the Mandarava.
How can you not do it? So we're here at the Mandarava Resort in Phuket, Thailand, and we have a Sea Pearl room which we're going to show you, so come with us. Just say that.
Why is it so easy?
It's up to nearly 2 minutes.
Okay, can you see my wet boobs?
Together yet.
Does it look really wet?
No. So last but not least, let's show you the main reason why you've come to see this room. Locked it or something. Oh, I didn't realise you could do that. There we go, something new. You can actually lock the door instead of this. We were just locking it with this little latch.